What is going on, everybody? My name is Connor McDonald and I'm here again with another IAC Go Visual tutorial. Today we're going to cover the email notifications you receive once you place an order. If you watched our previous tutorial on the checkout process, you'll remember that we ended here. I have now logged into an account that will allow me to check out without entering a credit card information so that I can show you exactly what the process and next steps are. If you scroll over to order summary and go down, I have the ability to click on open terms, but yours will say credit card. Again, a prompt will come up saying that this action cannot be undone and the order will be submitted once you click OK. We're going to go ahead and click OK. You'll then be taken to this page where it shows you all of your order summary. Mine says payment pending due to the fact that I checked it with open terms. However, yours will say payment received as you have checked it with credit card or PayPal. From here, we're going to go to our inbox where we now have two emails. One is a confirmation from the platform and one is from our automated pre-press software. The first one you'll see here is a thank you for your order, and it'll just outline everything from your pricing summary and the products that you have ordered. If we go back, you'll now see that you have an IAC approval email. You'll see here that it has failed pre-flight and has been put on hold. That is due to the fact that we just uploaded the template and we did not have artwork on our template. This email is from our automated pre-press software. You have the ability to go to your job, you see the company, the job name, artist for revision, and any errors that are associated with the artwork that you uploaded. In order to see the pre-press automated platform, please check out our other tutorial videos that we have made that showcase this automation. If you have any other questions regarding the IAC Go Visual platform, please check out our other tutorial videos, or you can contact us using the information that we have provided below.